Hey everybody, Dr. Wesselcouch here with another math and Minecraft episode. Today, we're going to approximate Catalans Constant in Minecraft. And I'm sure most of you don't know what Catalans Constant is. So let me explain that to you. Catalans Constant, which is denoted by g, is defined by g equals the integral from 0 to 1 of arctangent of x over x dx. To 5 decimal places, g is equal to 0.91597. Catalans constant is arguably the most basic constant whose irrationality is unknown. So if you could prove that it's irrational, let me know in the comments and maybe we'll write a paper together. Catalans constant is of interest because it appears in low-dimensional topology, number theory, and even physics, as it's in the calculation of mass distributions of spiral galaxies. With a little calculus, we could express g as the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of -1 to the n over 2n plus 1 squared. We will use the 7th partial sum for our approximation. The main Minecraft mechanic we're going to use is Enderman teleportation. Notice when you throw snowballs at an Enderman, it eventually teleports to a random block. An Enderman hate water, so we'll always teleport to a block. We're going to use this to our advantage. I laid out a 13 by 13 grid of blocks. Using pressure plates and droppers, we'll keep track of how many times the Enderman lands on each block. The inner 1 by 1 square will be used to approximate the first term in the partial sum. Similarly, the inner 3 by 3 square will be used to approximate the second term. To clarify, if we restrict our focus to the inner 3 by 3 square, the Enderman will land on the top left block about 1/9 of the time. The inner 5 by 5 square will be used to approximate the third term, and so on. So now that you understand the methodology, I went ahead and put snow golems around the blocks, so I don't have to be the one to throw the snowballs. And I put 2 layers of carpet around the snow golem, because Enderman can't teleport onto 2 layers of carpet. So I'm going to spawn in the Enderman now. Let's see how this goes. Well, that was intense. Before we look at the results, let me know in the comments what you predict our percent error is going to be. Will we be close or will we not be close? Let me know. I had all the items sent to this chest over here, so let's look at the results. The way you read the results is the rightmost column for each color corresponds to the top left block in each of those centered squares. The total number of blocks in the bottom k rows is the number of times the Enderman landed in those squares. So for example, there are 130 total blocks in the bottom 2 rows. What this means is the Enderman landed on the inner 5 by 5 square 130 times, and 3 of those times it landed on the top left corner. That's how you interpret these results. Putting this all together, we have the following approximation for Catalans constant. So g is approximately equal to 0.91259, only off by 0.37% Unbelievable! I think this is our second best approximation yet. And we're never gonna top E, let's be honest. Anyway, if you made it this far into the episode, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And let me know in the comments if there's any other numbers you want to see me approximate. I love making these episodes. And share this video with your friend. It will really help me grow my channel. Alright, see you later. Bye-bye.